Hey guys, so I got this product to review. This is a hand warmer set. Let's take a look at it. So inside the box, this is what you got. It is a dual hand warming set. You can actually play around with it. It's almost like a great fidget toy as well. So these can be taken apart as well. You just push upon the little clips right here, push upon the buttons, and they'll just pop right out like so. So you've got two different hand warmers, one for one hand and one for the other. This is the attachment here that will hold on to everything, kind of like the casing. So to charge it, it has a USB-C port on the side here, on both sides, and then you just use it as so. It's a plastic solid material. You can definitely put these in both hands. You can put them in your gloves. You can put them in your pockets if you wanted to. These would be great for skiing or sledding or even just during the wintertime as it gets cold. But I really like these. I like the fact that you can hold on to these really easy because they're not too small and they're not heavy at all. You can just kind of hold on to it real easily. In the bottom of the box, you'll also get the bag that can hold on to everything. There's an instruction manual and also the USB-C cables as well. So it's a USB-A to a USB-C that is dual, so it has both on one side. So if I was to plug this into my power bank right here, plug it in, we'll plug in the two warmers right here and you're easily ready and on the go. So if you have a power bank with you, you can easily just take this with you on the go, throw it in your backpack, whatever, let it charge. So perfect for travel. As it's charging, you'll see here on the front that there are some lights. So right now you can see that it's almost halfway charged right now. It blinks when it gets to the next level. So to power this one on, I'm just going to press this button here and you'll see that it will turn red. Once it turns red, it will start to heat up and it heats up really quickly. So it takes about just a couple seconds for it to start warming up. And I can already feel it right here. So I can definitely feel this warming up. It feels great. Now to check the battery life when it is on and when it is warming, you'll just double tap the power button and it'll show you how much battery life is left. So when you press the power button once, you'll see it rotate through the different power settings. So right now it's on level 3. Press it again, it will go back to level 1, level 2, and so forth. And it gets really warm. So it is recommended that you do put these in this velvet bag so that way you don't burn yourself. But always just be mindful when you're using anything that uses heat. But once again, you can also use these both at the same time. And to do so, you'll just pop these right back into the holder here. 1 and 2, and then you're good to go. And to power this on while they're on the warmer, you'll just find that power button, hold it down, and it will power back on, and you'll see that red button right there. To turn this off, you're just going to give it a long press, just like so, and you see that's powered off. So I would definitely recommend this, especially with the cold season coming, especially with winter coming. This would be a great Christmas gift, stocking stuffer, definitely for people that live in cold climates, that have to wear gloves and all that fun stuff. Definitely recommend it. Check it out.